Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be putting on this wig, my birthday hair. Guys, I literally just got back with hanging out with my sisters and my cousin. We went to activate for my birthday, like to do an activity. But guys, this hair, I'm gonna miss it so much. It's so cute, but it literally is time for it to go. You cannot see my scalp, like it has to go. But I'm gonna get my sister to cut out the back hairs because it's a sew-in. So I'll be right back. Let's take a moment to just appreciate this wig though. It was so cute. I'm gonna miss her. I'm really gonna miss her. I feel like I'm gonna miss her so much, but I will definitely get this hairstyle again. It was a 10 out of 10. Okay, you guys, so my sister cut out the back of my hair for me. I really don't have time to really take out the braids and everything, so this is just gonna have to do. So right now I'm getting some toner and wiping my forehead because I don't like to use alcohol. It's just it's less harsh on the skin, and it's also to prep my hairline, to remove all the excess oils. Okay, you guys, so the next thing we're going to be doing is shaving my sideburns because I have a lot of hair here and it really interferes with the lace really sticking to my head. So we just shave a little bit. Okay, you guys, so we're switching over to voiceover mode. So right now I'm just kind of using got to be gel and my edge brush to kind of slick all my hairs away to protect my edges because we don't want our edges to rip off. So today I'm not going to be doing the bald cap method. I'm honestly generally too lazy, so I'm just going to put the wig cap on like normal, but like not too forward, if that makes sense, like just on top of my hairline. Now we're tinting the lace. As you guys already see, I already did go ahead already and put some foundation on my wig cap. So before I actually do anything, I'm going to be hot combing the hair back just to make it easier to work with and flat, because who wants a stiff wig? This wig came with a lace at the back and I never even used it, so I'm just cutting it off. So next I'm gluing down this wig. So I'm doing it in super thin layers. So I think I did like 2 layers, and I made sure to make sure the glue was dried completely clear. As you can see, it's clearing up pretty quickly actually. Here you see me using a rat tail comb to just kind of press the lace into the glue, and then I'm gonna be using my wig band, and then I'm gonna let that sit like for maybe 20 minutes. And I'm also gonna be multitasking, so I knew I wanted to do a middle part, so I'm just gonna quickly do that. Now I'm gonna be using my wax stick to just kind of make the hair flat and smooth and to get all the flyaways. So, and then I'm gonna be using my hot comb to comb it out and to make it smooth. Okay, now it's time to cut this lace. So I like to go in with scissors and just cut the lace maybe like 3 to 4 parts, and then I like to go in with my razor and just kind of shave off the lace. It's just easier this way. the hard part is finally over, so now we're gonna be going in with foundation and then just kind of tinting the hairline. As you can see, it looks pretty ashy, looks pretty white. And then also I'm going to be taking like a really thin brush and then kind of just making my hairline part more visible. To really melt this lace, guys, you see me spraying Got to Be on free spray on my hand, and then I'm tapping it on my hairline, and then I'm gonna be putting back on my melting band, and then probably let that sit for 20 to 25 minutes. But I slept with it overnight actually because I was tired, guys. But anyways, I just quickly wanted to show you guys how I wrapped my hair to go to sleep. So I wanted to do some edges in the hair, so I'm brushing it out first, obviously, and then I'm going to go in with a rat tail comb and just try to section it out. And then I'm going to use scissors and a razor to cut it, and then I'm going to lay them. So now I'm going to be crimping the hair, and obviously I'm going to section it, and I'm spraying Got to Be free spray as a substitute for hairspray, and I'm going to be crimping the hair. I'm so excited, guys. This crimper is so good. When I tell you it's so good, like, I'm in love. And it's been like 2 days later and the crimps are still holding. This is what the hair looks like right after crimping it. Okay, you guys, so to kind of separate the curls, I'm going to get some oil in my hands. Ooh. Rub it all over my hair, my hands, I mean. And then just slowly separate it. Not too much though. Okay, you guys, so I'm at school and I completely forgot to record what my hair looks like. It's literally raining outside, so my hair got wet and frizzy a bit, but this is what the hair looks like, period. But that's all. Bye, guys.